Haven't felt like myself in the month and I didn't know why. Was a punch in the gut when I realized used to feel this way, but having more to be so sure. Haven't felt like myself in the month and I can't take it no more. What I took with me, all of the stories, the ones I wouldn't tell about us. Cause we shared a vision until we didn't. That's just the way it is, it was. I should have known that love isn't always the same. Don't wanna walk away, but I just can't stay. I should have known that love isn't always the same. I should have known forever's gotta end someday. I should have known that love isn't always the same. Don't wanna walk away, but I just can't stay. I should have known that love isn't always the same. I should have known forever's gotta end someday. Don't wanna leave. Don't wanna leave. But I just can't feel the love. But I just can't feel the love. I could hide, I could build up a wall now, keeping me safe. Should I trust in my heart if I know now the heart can break? Doesn't mean I can't believe forever's gonna be. I could hide, I could build up a wall now, it would be me. Walking together, we had each other, but on the way I just get lost. You wish you had a vision until we didn't. That's just the way it was. I should have known that love isn't always the same. Don't wanna walk away, but I just can't stay. I should have known that love isn't always the same. I should have known forever.